In this Google Sheets video, I'm going to show you keyboard shortcuts that will help you to save your time and work faster. To select all the cells, use Ctrl A and that will select all the cells in the sheet. To select column only, you can use Ctrl space. To select only row, you can use Shift space. While this row is selected, I will just hold the Shift button and then press down arrow key. And you can see that I can select multiple rows, right? Similarly, you can do it with columns. Hold the Shift button and then right arrow key. You can change current cell by simply using arrow keys. See, like this. If you want to type something in this cell, you can directly type or press F2 for cell edit mode. And then you can type and then press enter. Let's say I want to make this bold. So Ctrl B. For italic, Ctrl I. You can see that here it is also showing that this cell has bold and italic formatting. Here we have strike through, right? But what if you want to do it using shortcut? So I will remove it and then Alt Shift 5, and you can see that we have added strike through for this cell. If you want to remove it, simply use the same shortcut. Let's remove bold and italic as well using Ctrl B and Ctrl I. Alright, now it is a normal text. You can see that this text is left aligned. But what if I want to make it central align or right align? Ctrl Shift R for right align. Ctrl Shift E for center align. Ctrl Shift L for left align. For undo, Ctrl Z. For redo, Ctrl Shift Z. To copy paste or cut paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl X, Ctrl V. For cut, it is Ctrl X. To find something in your spreadsheet, use Ctrl F. Let's type here ABC, and as you can see that these two cells are highlighted because it contains ABC. Okay, now press Escape to close that box. Ctrl H for find and replace. So find ABC and replace it with XYZ. Now I'm on the replace all, so I'm pressing enter and you can see that it is saying replaced two instances of ABC with XYZ. And now done. See, I have pressed Ctrl A, but now it has only selected these three cells. Why? Because if you have a cell selected from a range, then it will select all the cells from that range. To select all the cells, again use Ctrl A and then use delete. So now let's type here some numbers. Now to select this data, I will use Ctrl Shift right arrow key down arrow key and it will select all the data. So let's say I want to apply number formatting to all the cells. I will use Ctrl Shift 1. For time formatting, I will use Ctrl Shift 2. For date formatting, I will use Ctrl Shift 3. For currency formatting, Ctrl Shift 4. To apply percentage formatting, Ctrl Shift 5. To open format menu, you can use Alt O. Use arrow keys to change and then I will press enter and it is back to normal. Similarly, you can open other menus using shortcut. For example, for file menu, it is Alt F. Press Escape to close it. Alt V for view. Alt D for data menu. Alt T for tools. If you want to fill cells below, you can use Ctrl D to fill down. It will fill the cells with the value above. Similarly, you can fill the right cells by using Ctrl R. If you have a formula in this cell, it will be filled and the references will be taken accordingly. Okay, cell references. To insert a row above, select the row using Shift space again, and then Alt I R. Okay, and to insert a row below, Alt I B. And as you can see, a row has been inserted below. To delete a row, select it and then use Ctrl Alt minus and it will be deleted. For column, select a column and then use Ctrl Alt minus. If you want to create a link in cell, so let's type something here. And now I'm pressing Ctrl K and it is showing me some options. Here it is showing suggestions. Okay, you can type your own link here. I am selecting this and then apply. Use Alt Enter to open the link. Now this shortcut is very important, Ctrl/. It will open all the keyboard shortcuts. You can search here the shortcut you want or the command you are looking for. Let's search here bold. Use escape to come out of it. You can also use Alt/ to search the menus just like we did before. So you can use Ctrl/ or Alt/. To insert current time in a cell, use Ctrl Shift semicolon and Ctrl semicolon for date. If you want to insert both, Ctrl Alt Shift semicolon. Alright, now how to create a new sheet using shortcut. That is tabs, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Okay, Shift F11 will create a new sheet. So sheet 2 has been created now. If you want to open sheet menu or options, use Alt Shift S and it will open options like delete, duplicate, copy to, rename, that is sheet options. Okay, you can use Ctrl P to print. These were important shortcuts. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.